Here's part 2 to my installation of my driving lights. The fog lights haven't came in yet, so until all the parts come in, the driving lights and the mounting brackets, I might as well just get everything ready so I can get it done with no hesitation. Now these are the driving lights I'm going to use. They're going to be behind the grill. And as you've seen in my previous video when I installed the harness, they have plugins, 4 plugins for 4 lights. So these are a pair that I got right here. The other pair of fog lights are coming in, and they should be here whenever they come. The brackets should be here this week. So as soon as the brackets come, I'll be able to install at least the driving lights. So as you've seen in the previous video, the harnesses have connections where you can just plug them right in. But as you can see here, these doesn't have any connections. So what I'm going to have to do is put some on there. In this case, I need some male connections for the female harness. Got these right here. I got 2 of them because I'm going to need all these for all 4 lights. These were like $1.80 a piece. This and this together is less than $4. And I got some wires and some electric tape. Now what I'm going to do here is, since the first light, the first plug-ins will be right next to this light. So the only thing I got to do is just crimp on these on here. The second light is going to be on the opposite side of the car. So I'm going to have to add some wiring, which is right here. And then add some connections so they can reach up and plug in. So first thing first, I'm going to strip off a little bit of this wire covering to expose that. Use these, and they're crimp on. Boom, and you got to have a wire crimping tool or a pair of pliers, whatever you want to use. And we'll start with this side, and then we'll start with the other light. And that's it right here. This is for the first light. As you can see, they're hooked up. So all thing I do is plug this one in. Now let's get the other light. Okay, I just cut off 2 equal length wires. And now basically I'm just going to splice both ends as the connections to one side. And then the other side that I spliced like this, I will connect them to the lights and solder them on and throw some electric tape on them. And they should be ready to install. So let's get to doing it. And we're done. This side is the short side where the harness is going to be at with the plugins. And I added some extra wire so I can reach from the opposite side of the car. And the plugins right there. So only thing I'm waiting on now is the brackets, which I just checked the tracking. It's on its way. So should be here in a few days. I'll make another video of me putting the brackets on this, finding a spot behind the grill to install them, and then actually mounting these. Until then, I'll see you.